Medical Financial. We put you in charge of your finances and we make it easy. Wish you could know your patient's outstanding balance? MedFi does that in under 5 seconds. Wish that you could verify that all the money or biller reports that you received last month actually made it to your bank account? MedFi does that in under 10 seconds. Wish all the websites, login information, payment history, and contact information for all your vendors was in one place? MedFi does that. Wish you and your staff could quickly process checks, credit cards, and cash payments from any source, not just patients, on a single platform? MedFi does that. Wish you could see in real time exactly what activities or aspects of your practice are making money and which are losing money? MedFi can show you that with the click of a mouse. Wish that every time you administered an expensive treatment to a patient, you had a software which told you exactly when and how much you were paid? MedFi does that too. Wish you received an email every day summarizing all the collections and paid expenses processed the previous day? MedFi can do that. Do you wish you could do all this with a software that relies on automated integration rather than tedious data entry and uses workflows that your medical office staff can quickly learn? Welcome to Medical Financial. We put you in charge of your finances and we make it easy. And that's just the beginning. MedFi can do all that and so much more. To schedule a demo and take control of your medical practice finances, email support@medicalfinancial.com. Medical Financial was designed by a physician for physicians. MedFi puts you in the driver's seat, in control of your finances. MedFi provides reports and analysis of your financial information, which are accessible at any time. They make sense to you and are useful in running your practice. MedFi encourages you to follow best practices in business management, bookkeeping, and accounting, even if you're not a professional business manager. MedFi offers seamless office biller coordination. Your remote biller can see relevant in-office transactions in real time as they occur. Credit card payments, EOBs received in the office, cash received in the office, checks processed, including their scanned images, and any application of these payments towards charges are automatically visible to the biller. There is no need to transfer information or scan documents anymore. MedFi offers automated verification of transactions. It lets you easily verify that your money is actually in the bank. Revenue reported received by your biller is verified. Checks, cash, credit cards are all verified, processed in the bank. Checks issued to vendors, when they're cashed, you will be notified. And EFT payments to vendors, Medical Financial will verify that they match the bank account record. MedFi assists with patient communication. It offers online payment option for your patients right from your website using a merchant account vendor of your choice. There's automatic and manual paper and email receipts which are sent to patients. Custom email blasts to patients can be created. Custom paper mail communications can be created. And a log of all verbal, email, and regular mail patient communications is kept for every patient account. Medical Financial has fully customizable security access. You control the level of access granted to your staff and associates. No user can see any data or take any action without security clearance. We take the security and privacy of your data very seriously. Medical Financial is HIPAA compliant. Your data is stored in a remote, highly secure server and is backed up daily. Access to Medical Financial is not through a website, but rather an encrypted remote desktop access, which is more secure. For your accountant, Medical Financial, all of the financial reports and accounting tools necessary to minimize your tax liability. Medical Financial will provide profit and loss reports, balance sheet of accounts, fixed asset management and depreciation, loan management, and more. How does Medical Financial accomplish this? Medical Financial relies on computer-to-computer integration rather than tedious and labor-intensive data entry to collect and collate as much data as possible. Data is generated in the office. Data is exchanged with your merchant account, also with your billing software, integration with Advanced MD. and also read from your bank account. Transactions are all reconciled across all of these platforms and displayed in an easy to understand format. Medical Financial then collates the information to present financial reports for accounting purposes and tax preparation, and separate office reports that assist you in practice management. Medical Financial has many functionalities, and this presentation will cover only a few of them. To learn more about Medical Financial, I recommend that you schedule a demonstration. The Patient Management Browser lets you view patient demographics, all the payments received both from the patient and from insurance for this patient account, any balance that is due, and also a record of all inventory items consumed by this patient. You will be able to create a super bill, process credit card payments, and also process cash and check payments. Your practice management window offers you a window of your providers. There will be provider details saved over here, any expenses attributed to this provider, both paid and unpaid, and you will be able to control and manage the fee schedule. You will also be able to cluster CPT codes and payers into groups that will be used to create departments for internal financial analysis. These departments are a unique feature of Medical Financial, which allows you a customized and relevant analysis of your revenue and expenses. You can sort these by provider and department, and you can alternate between totals and monthly averages. You can customize the financial analysis by date range and cluster providers together or view them individually. Clients are entities which generate revenue for the practice but are not patients. Most practices find that they need a separate software to manage client invoices and revenue, but Medical Financial can do this along with managing your patient revenue. Under Client Management, you can save client details, a record of all payments received, balance due, and create invoices to send to clients for payment. Payment processing is a sophisticated tool which allows you to process payments from patients, clients, vendors, and insurance companies in any form. Patients coming in the form of credit cards, cash, checks, or even electronic fund transfers can be managed in this workflow. Furthermore, you will be able to document bank deposits, email receipts to patients from within Medical Financial, and with a single click, upload a record of these payments to AdvancedMD. Your collections are a powerful tool to synchronize the work done in the office with the work done by your biller. Your biller will be able to view in-office collections in any form in real time. There will be additional details of the application of all of these collections available. There will be images of scanned checks and images of all EOBs attached to the appropriate payments. You will be able to share these collection details, EOBs, and scanned checks with your biller and print collection reports. Inventory management and purchase orders allow you to manage your inventory of expensive items purchased by the practice, keep an up-to-date stock of inventory items, keep track of all the payments received for them, and be able to get a report of profits per item, item type, and totals. You can also generate a detailed log of all inventory item consumption. Purchase orders allows you to manage purchase orders and attach them to payable invoices. Expense management allows you to view all current unpaid expenses and the total balance owed. You will be able to create new expense invoices, allocate these expenses to providers and departments, print checks to pay expenses, and document electronic payments of expenses. In Vendor Management window, you will be able to manage all of the vendors that provide your practice with services. All of the logins and passwords and vendor account information is stored securely in one location. You will be able to see all past invoices, bills, and payments made to the vendors. you will be able to create new expense invoices, store all vendor account information, and all vendor contacts. Your credit card accounts will be visible here under the credit card management window, showing all transaction details, balance due, and past credit card transactions. You will be able to document new transactions, print a check to pay off the credit card, or document electronic fund transfers to the credit card account. Your bank account summarizes all the financial activities of the practice. Over here, you can see transaction details and allocation of payments, also account balances, subject to security access, of course. You will be able to automatically compare the medical financial record with your actual bank account and verify that all of the activity recorded in medical financial did actually occur in the bank. All expenses will be verified as paid, and all cash and check deposits will be verified to match the bank record. The costs of medical financial can be split to two types. There are setup costs and monthly costs. The initial setup cost includes purchase of a network check scanner, which costs about $1,100, and paying Advanced MD to set up integration with medical financial, which requires a payment of $200, one-time payment. Monthly costs are $350 a month for the first provider and $150 per month for each additional provider listed in medical financial. There's a $25 per month payment that is paid to Advanced MD to maintain the integration with medical financial, and an optional $35 a month payment for a feature of patient online payment portal. You may cancel the subscription at any time for any reason. Medical financial, we put you in charge of your finances and we make it easy. For more information or to set up a demo, please contact support@medicalfinancial.com or visit www.medicalfinancial.com.